then, people. So as you can hear, the Cupra 280 stock sounds like your mum's hairdryer. So what we're going to do here is we're going to throw on an induction kit, an intercooler and a downpipe, and we're going to see what it sounds like now.
Nice 3-inch cutback. But just from the get-go, it's definitely breaking traction more.
Right guys, now we've had a sneak peek on what the car sounds like with a downpipe. We can clearly see it's crying out for a resonated 3-inch catback. So subscribe for more content and follow the journey.